Um, Hi, I'm named Stefan. Um, this video is all about me, the say, entrepreneurial woman as me. So, what I wanted to share about in my video is my journey as starting from today. I will I will keep making video of how I do as for this year. My plan, which I planned it from last year, I wanted to do my small business. So starting from today, which is February 25th, 2020, um, I already wrote it down on my book, as you can see in my book right here. Um, the date I worked on this business plan, it was actually last year. So I kind of came up with a lot of my goals and my vision on how I can start off my small business. So I'm not sure if I will actually make it, but I just want to keep recording my goals and my plan, so that way I can stick with what I plan to do with my business. So in my book, I created Ask Us the Old-Fashioned Way. This is my book. As it's kind of faded away, but with God, all things are possible. So that's the title outside my book, but inside my book is like my journal and my business plan. So with my tax return coming out, that's what I plan to do. But at the same time, I'm kind of stuck because I have a lot of bills to pay. So I'm really debating on what to do right now, because my bills, my business plan, my new job, and my beautiful children that I always give them money. That's just my 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 own thing to do. Like every time I get my tax return, I would always share it with my children. So I think this year I will stick my plan, stick with the plan I intend to do. Starting off small with just investing 2,000 grand. So out of my tax return, I'm gonna try to invest 2,000 grand out of my money. So we'll see how it goes. No can matter in those future months, and we'll see how my journey with my small business plan I had set since last year. So that's what I wanted to do. The video is all about myself and my business plan with the tax return I have this year. I have so many goals for like business wise, but I think I will just start off small. So we'll see how it goes, but I'll try my best. So this is the first video I make as as my journey began, myself on how I will do my small business. So I will keep doing more videos and updating on my YouTube channel. So if you love watching how I go along with my small business, you can always come back and watch my videos. And please subscribe below to your right, the subscribe button, or click the bell ring button notification so you can get an update every time I upload my videos. Thank you very much. Kiri Soldapur and Fifitikits Ika support the kids on our YouTube videos. Kiri Soldapur.